Yeah, we're going to do the roasted sweet potato wedges. So this is just a simple recipe for us today for lunch. So enjoy watching, and guys, don't forget to subscribe my channel if you're new here and click the bell on notification. So enjoy watching. Here are the ingredients for the roasted sweet potato wedges. So I have 500 grams of sweet potato and cheddar cheese. This one is a mixture of spices, but I'm going to put all the ingredients for this on the description below, and I have the olive oil. So we're gonna start to clean this sweet potato with Mercy. She's going to do that. Okay, now she's going to clean the sweet potatoes just like that. See it like this. And she's be the one to cut it into wedges. Actually, you can use the potato, the normal potato, but we find it like sweet potato is the best combination for this recipe. Combination. Thursday.
Ay,
Seryoso?
seryoso na mapunta na sa hospital niya.
Seryoso talaga. And also, if you're using the sweet potato, use the yellow one. Yellow potato? Yellow color?
Yeah.
Yeah. I buy it on the Fusion. This is like $9 for one pack. There is also Japanese one, but it's a little bit expensive, right? But it's also good. The Japanese potato. The color is
Yellow also.
yellow, right? This is yellow?
Orange.
Oh, this is orange. This is the orange. Yeah. We use it orange. I have also you remember before that I uploaded the videos like wedges. I'm using the same potato. Sorry guys, we have a kalat here. But don't worry. Ganyan lang. Gusto mo ilagay dito.
Hindi kaya mangitim. Mamaya.
Hindi? Sige.
Baka mag-ano yung kulay eh.
Yeah. Meanwhile, I already reheated the oven into 200 degrees. About this one, it takes only like 40 minutes or 30 minutes, but it depends how you like it. But I like it like 30 minutes to 40 minutes. So I set it up into 60 minutes because I want to reheat it first. Preheated. Okay, back to Ate Mercy, and she still keep doing the potato. Yes. Well, the potato. Sorry, nag-English kami guys. Kasi I'm looking for the viewers from somewhere. Not only the Filipina or Filipino is watching with me, but also some people, because I wanted some other language can understand me, right? Oh, I gotta miss in here.
Yeah, you're learning.
I'm moving. Yeah. Next week. I have only 1 week here.
Next week na talaga?
Yeah.
Asin?
Yep. Pero babalik ako dito 2 weeks pa. Di ba meron pa ako 2 weeks? Yeah. I'll just leave my things. Yeah. Oh, wala si ngayon si Eileen.
Ay, hindi siya pupunta?
Wala, hindi siya nag-message.
Okay.
I don't know, baka nag-work.
Hindi, tignan daw niya kung mag-message na lang ako pag makapunta. Sabi niya.
Sabi niya? I-joke natin. Huli ka.
Ha?
I-joke natin.
Alin?
Mag-inuman tayo, huli ka na.
Ate si Eileen.
Asa na si ano na?
Si Jen?
No, si ate.
Hindi na pupunta. Hindi na niya kukunin yung resibo yung pinagbayaran ko ng business niya. Ako na lang.
Sino si?
Sa ate ko, ate Susan.
Ate mo.
Hindi na pupunta.
Si ate Susan.
Nag-train na eh.
So, dyan siya dadaan sa ano? Is it rain?
Kanina pag-uli ko na unang naambun.
Pangit mong lagay ng ano doon sa taas. Diyan ko na lang sa kwarto kaya.
Wala pa yung dito sa tayo.
Nandun, kinuha ko na, tinago ko na. Kasi sinabi ko ay kintin akong gagamit. Tapos ngayon, nilabas pala ni ano, ni Madam.
Ay, nilabas.
Kinuha. Dinla doon, nilagay, kinuha ko. Bahala siya. Eh, ako nung nakauna doon, nagpaalam.
Ay, ginamit nila doon. Tapos itinapon.
So, we gonna cut the potato into wedges now. So, Marcy will doing the cutting. Wow. Just like that. May taga-cut. Nag-upgrade. Nag-upgrade na. Yeah. Mahirap kasi maghawak eh. Wala. Alam mo yung maghawak.
Lagyan mo yung cellphone mo dito para mag-picture.
Masisira na.
3.
Yeah. Yes. Magkasya kaya lahat yan, San? Sa big issue?
Saan mo na ano tong ingredients na to?
Sa online, sa amo ko. Favorite niya amo.
Ika?
Lagi nilang pinapaluto sa akin.
Two, 3.
Maybe 2, I don't know. Make it 2, I guess. Yeah, make it 2. The oven is already hot. Last na siya.
Okay?
Gusto mo ikaw na? Ikaw na? Okay, go.
How to make?
I-mix mo lang siya ng... So, potato is already cut. So, we put 2 tablespoons of olive oil. We're using the cup for the tablespoon. And mix it.
The cheese?
Mix first and then put the cheese. And
Use my hand?
yes, use your hand. Just like that. Yeah, and then you can put this one.
Cheese?
Yeah, this is about 25 grams of cheese. No, it's 50 grams.
Grated cheese.
Grated cheese. Cheddar. It's better to use a parmesan, but I use the cheddar cheese. So after you mix it, and then you put this one. So this one, I put the link of the description below for the mixture of this. Yeah, you can put that together. Just mix, and yeah.
It's yummy.
Yep, it's yummy and spicy.
Really?
A little bit spicy. So we're gonna take this out. I think, lagyan mo kaya ng oil konti to. I think we add the oil a little bit to, ano siya, to dry. Okay, I put.
Oh!
Yeah, it's okay. Olive oil na siya. Okay na yan.
And then,
So I put olive oil in this. If you have a baking paper, is it?
yeah, baking paper.
Baking paper is better to use, so you don't need to put some olive oil on the top of this. Okay, yeah, you can. Ay, init eh. Tabi-tabi mo na lang siya para niya.
Dikit-dikit na.
Kasi konti lang ang pan eh. Sino kausap niya? Friend niya?
Ito yung natutulungan.
It's
At lagi natin mo galod na ikan sa jikuan na lesag. Yan ang galay
Pampano.
Pampano. Pampano. Concrete fish. Limong mo ito. Yeah. Donya. Donya ka na to lang. Tapos nagbibig ni Rolin ti kamote. Ti paraka.
vlogging. You want to subscribe my channel?
Subscribe the channel
I'm a vlogger.
Sino ating channel ni Marcy?
No, it's not mine.
It's Marcy channel.
Anak ay
Joke, joking.
ni Miss Tisa eh.
No, it's me.
Ni Rolin, the blah blah.
Okay.
Tapos, wag. Pakbet? Nagpakbet na di kalman eh. Di kalman ka na, nagpakbet na. Wala ako dito, nagpakbet.
Oh, it's really perfect.
Awan niya ba kasi
It's
dito?
together.
Awit na lang natin ang tintarte. Nagtrabaho.
Guys, they're talking their own language, but I didn't
English,
understand.
Sino chef?
Ay, sino bang chef dito? Ay, di wala
Chef
nang
Marcy.
iba. Marciana.
Marciana.
This is beautiful girl in Miss Philippines.
Wala namang video eh.
Okay.
Okay, now it's time to put on the oven. So the oven is so hot.
Why?
On the yeah. Put in the oven. This is about
How many minutes? Kaya
I like it like 30 minutes. So we're gonna see how it goes in 30 minutes.
Jai, ikan.
So see you again. It's already cooked now, so it looks so yummy and delicious. So let's try now and let's see how it's tastes. So a little bit spicy. I can taste the cheese, and yeah, it's perfect because it's a little bit sweet for the potato. Yeah, it's so yummy and delicious. So you should try this. And thank you for watching, guys, and hope you enjoy it and try it to yourself and you will see. See you for another video and thank you. Bye bye.